Welcome to BNN. I'm Daniel Vasquez with Bluecat News Network. On today's show, we'll take a look inside of some of Coleman's refrigerators for National Clean Out Your Fridge Day, and of course, sports with KELAN. We'll start with the really incredible display in the CHS lobby. Here's Violet.
Hello, I'm Violet Rogers, here with the finished product of the Veterans Day projects we've done to honor those who are still serving and who have served. What are your thoughts on the project?
I think this project is a great way to honor veterans and those who have served in the military and get awareness out about these veterans. I made a poster about one of my family members who had served in the past, and I also helped Miss Nanny get all of the posters stapled and hung up. I like how many different people get to honor veterans who have served in their family and just get to find out more about their family. I think it helps them know that we are supporting them and helps these veterans know that we care.
Thanks, Natalie. I'm Violet Rogers with BNN.
When we get back from Thanksgiving break, we will have 2 weeks to collect as much as food as possible for Coleman's Christian Family Ministries to share with those who need food. At the same time, you could get extra points for Battle of the Classes. Look for the posters hanging around the school. Here's Calvin with details.
Would you like to get extra points for Battle of the Classes? It's the freshmen against the sophomores against the juniors against the seniors to see which class can collect the most items to donate for the food bank at Coleman Christian Family Ministries. The grade with the most donations gets 10 points added to the Battle of the Classes score. For 2 weeks, starting Monday when we get back from Thanksgiving break, bring your donations to the big box in the lobby or Miss Homan's room. Freshmen are assigned Kraft macaroni and cheese. 10th grade should bring hamburger helper. 11th grade is cake mix or brownie mix, and seniors should donate a can of sweet potatoes. Let's see which class has the biggest servant's heart to help the people right here in Coleman. Bring your donation items starting the Monday we get back from break. I'm Calvin Bush for BNN.
Coleman is having a great economic boom right now, with lots of new stories and the stalwarts that have been around for years, and doing great too. Here's Grace with some downtown highlights.
A couple students from Miss Homan's BNN class interviewed more businesses downtown, and here's what we have for you.
This business, Odd & Company, was established in 2015.
The business was established in 1935.
As you walk around the store, there are all kinds of items, but it would probably be clothing, because we have a very good clothing vendor, which you know as your principal, right? At Miss Dobbins and her sister.
The best thing about running the store is meeting all the different people that I get to meet.
My favorite thing about running this store is you can see each little area belongs to a different vendor. And most of these people that are in here are my very close friends, so I get to interact with them all the time.
I started working here in 1969. I bought the company in 2004. The hours are officially 9 to 5.
Our hours are Thursday through Saturday, 10 to 6.
Thanks, Grace. It's a holiday. Just in time, a week before Thanksgiving. It is National Clean Out Your Fridge Week, and Elizabeth has found some refrigerators that could use a little TLC.
I am Elizabeth Perez with BNN, and it is Clean Your Fridge Day on the 15th. Here is some students and faculty fridges from cleanest to dirtiest. Well, that is it from us. This is Elizabeth Perez from BNN signing off. Don't forget to clean your fridge.
Shopping during the holiday season is one of the biggest and most expensive events of the year. How much is your wallet going to sting this year? Here's Rosmo.
The most returned gift every year is clothes, due to wrong sizes or simply just not wanting that article of clothing. The most bought female gifts are robes and jewelry. The most common male gifts are slippers, Yeti products, and hunting or fishing gear. Enjoy the holidays. I'm Araz Malbara for BNN.
Yes, it is a big sports week around here with our unstoppable Bluecats. Here's KELAN with CSPN.
With the volleyball season now over after a devastating loss against Quanah, the All-District honors were announced. Offensive MVP, Aislinn Cox. First team All-District, Jordan Ray and Briley Gilbreth. Second team All-District, Carly Tibbetts and Anna Kilpatrick. Congratulations, y'all had a great season. Our football team traveled to Wiley last week to play Anson in the first round of the playoffs. We stomped them with a score of 62-12. Sophomore quarterback Jaden Jackson had 3 touchdowns. Junior Braxton Smith had a 45-yard pick six. Senior Denver Hunter also had an interception, and he runs for a few yards until getting knocked out of bounds. Senior Devin R. Robertson had a 63-yard touchdown. Tonight, we take on our rivals from Post. Game time is 7 o'clock in Colorado City. Go get 'em, Blue Cats. See you at the game. I'm KELAN SIKES with CSPN.
Time for your holiday weekend forecast with our weatherman, XANDER.
Hello everyone. This weekend is going to be a little cloudy with a high of 55 and a low of 33. Next week is going to be very cloudy with a high of 55 and a low of 32. Have a happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Back to you.
Over 53.4 million people will be traveling next week, and over 186 million pies will be baked and eaten. So we are proud to bring you the latest junior versus senior pie baking contest on the Coleman Cooking Competition Network.
Hello, I am Violet Rogers here with my special guest from overseas.
Hello, I'm Chef Liu here with Emily Taylor and Tessa Arnold on my team.
I am Emily Taylor. I'm a senior, and juniors are going down because seniors rule.
I'm Tessa Arnold. I'm a senior, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna win.
And my teammates are Dayton Hunter and Peyton Gober.
Dayton Hunter. I'm a junior, and I suppose we're gonna win this thing.
I'm Peyton Gober. I'm a junior, and the seniors are going down because we obviously don't know how to bake.
3, 2, 1.
What are you doing?
It's fine.
Oh my goodness.
Have fun.
Yeah, no, that's too big.
Help me.
Is it finally done?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice and steamy.
There you go. Don't you touch that. Okay. Look at this pie. Look at okay, you have to look at the pie, right?
We should use the whipped cream.
How does it feel?
Don't joke.
I just want to see your faces.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir.
It was a little bit hard and chewy. Your thing almost worked out my braces.
No!
After I did all the work for this lousy team, the seniors won this competition. I am Tingin Liu for BNN.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Have a safe and fun break. I'm Daniel Vasquez. Thank you for watching Bluecat News Network.